Cause fucking. Huh.
We just put that shit up.
Look.
Look at how that yellow line sits in there. It looks like a fire.
There we go.
And all of this is white also makes it sick. The contrast of the blue and the white. A really cool chrome outline that changes by how you move. You see that chrome outline? That looks souped up, like cool souped up though. What's up, YouTube? These are the headlights off my 2010 Mazda 3. Let me know if you want to buy them or some shit. They have a little bit of tint on them. Years ago, I had let them tint the headlight, and then I waited a day, and then I cut this design out with an X-Acto blade, and then I peeled off the little patches of tint so it would look like sick with it. Yeah.